In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the username on your Mac computer. So whether you have a MacBook Pro, a MacBook Air, or just a general Mac, I'm going to show you how to go and change your username. So first thing you need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand side of the screen, and then you can click on System Settings. Now scroll down on this left-hand navigation and click on Users and Groups. Here you'll see a list of all of the usernames currently on your computer. Now to go and change one of the usernames, all you need to do is go in, right-click on the username that you want to change, and then select Advanced Options. Now you'll need to go and enter the password to your Mac computer and click on Unlock. You then need to click on this option called Username, and from here we can go and type in a different username for the account. Now you'll also need to do the same thing for the full name as well. So let me just go and change both of these like this. And then once you've done that, you can go and press OK. And as you can see, we have now changed the username for this account. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.